Dear learners, you are happy with your acceptance. Now, what to do next? Now the editor will take the next step. The editorial team finalize your manuscript, typeset them in the format, in the paginated form or in the non-paginated form in the journal's style, and send it to you for proofreading. So, in this proofreading step, what you have to do, it is the final step. Remember, you can't do major changes here. Just focus. Number one, the numbering of table and figures, their text citations, any break in or any skipping of any para during the typesetting, it may happen. See the author's name and affiliation properly, whether they are okay or not. See the title. Observe for the any typo error. Some small typo errors still can be corrected. Observe the legends. Observe the figures, their placing. If wrong, report them. Here also, you will have to make a Word file, or you can pinpoint in that PDF also with the insert comment. You can insert the comment there and pinpoint what kind of change you want. And remember, it is a time-bound process. Once you get the proofread, you will have to return the correction with the corrections of that proof, that galley proof, in 48 hours or 72 hours max. If you skip that mail, your publication may get delayed or sometimes may get cancelled also, may get rejected also. So, follow the timeline. And immediately, as early as possible, get back to the editor with the corrections on the galley proof. So, you have written that galley proof. Now, nothing you have to do. You will get when the article will be on the online. Most of the time, before the schedule, there is a section ahead of print section where the journals without pagination are there. So, you will get the DOI, Digital Object Identifier of your article, and you can share that link with your friends, colleagues and other researchers. So, here you have got your paper published online, and in a short period of time, it will come in the print. So, you might have enjoyed this process. The hard work pays. Now, what are the tips? What are the major tips to avoid the rejection? How we can avoid the rejection of the manuscript? What are the major tips? Let us discuss. Let us pinpoint them one by one. Present the article in simple language with clarity. Rationale of the study must be clear and be focused in the entire study. Aims and methodology should be clearly explained. Provide the results systematically and in totality. Discuss the results critically and with logical reasoning without any general and vague statements. Conclude the study as per the objective of the study and provide the scope of further study required, if any. Provide the supplementary data or spectra also in support of your study. It will improve the quality of your article and will also help you in getting the higher citations for that particular research paper. Last but not the least, always stick to manuscript guidelines prescribed by the journal with respect to formatting and all other aspects of the research article. So dear learners, let me summarize this module for you. Once you have submitted your manuscript, after the peer review, you get the comments from the reviewers through the editor. You prepare point-to-point response to comments without outrightly rejecting even a single comment by the reviewer. Address each and every comment with humbleness and logical presentation. Your logic must be there when you are answering the idea level comments. Once your article is accepted, you are given the final form of the article for proofreading. Carefully observe each and every section of your article and get back to the corrected proofread and get back to the corrected proof to the editor. And last, enjoy your published article online and thereafter on print. We learned how we can avoid the rejections. Simplicity, clarity, logical sequence, cohesion, coherence are the keys. Stick to the formatting guidelines. It will help you to avoid the rejection. So best of luck for your future endeavors for writing the research article, and please don't skip acknowledging our course if you get a publication after completing this course. I wish best of luck for your manuscript writing. Happy learning.